Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for realistic business ideas you can start here in Nigeria with just 100,000 naira or less, then this video is exactly what you need. In today's video, I'll be revealing 7 smart and highly profitable business ideas you can start without being a graduate, without needing a huge shop, and without needing a tech skill. These businesses are physical, real-world businesses you can start even from your home, with full focus on low-risk opportunities. But please listen carefully before you start any business. Please do your own research. And that's why I create honest review videos for different business models on this channel to help you make the best decision. Also, don't forget to check the WhatsApp community link in the description of this channel so you can join our free business network. I share personal guidance, answer business questions, and give clarity where many people get confused. So let's dive straight in. I'm Jude Anyanwu, and you're on the right channel. The first business on the list is palm oil resale business. The palm oil supply and resale is one of Nigeria's oldest, most profitable ventures. What this business is, you buy palm oil when it's cheap, usually during the harvest season, and resell when it's scarce. Or you can buy and they label it for you so you can retail immediately. That's the storage and trading aspect of the business I just explained. Why this business works is that palm oil is used every day in almost every Nigerian home. It's not just used for cooking, but also for soap production, cream, and cosmetics. Prices can double or even triple after the harvest season. How to start is that you buy in 25-liter kegs directly from farmers or local markets from states like Enugu, Edo, Imo, Cross River, Ondo, etc. As I when recording this video, 100,000 naira can buy 2 kegs directly from local markets. You can make 10,000 naira profit per keg or more depending on demand. Have you ever tried palm oil business before? What challenges did you face? If you haven't liked this video yet, kindly do so and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our subsequent updates. If you're really interested in this business, type interested in the comments so I can make a full review video for this business, so you can get clarity and insights before you jump in. The second idea is another food-based business, dry grain storage and resale. This involves buying grains like beans, maize, guinea corn, and storing them for resale when prices go up. It's profitable because prices in Nigeria are never stable. Prices always rise during scarcity and demand is constant, especially for beans and maize. Startup steps with 100,000 naira include to buy beans or maize directly from village markets. Store in airtight containers or treated sacks. And with 100,000 naira, you can buy 2 to 3 sacks depending on the grain. Learn proper storage to avoid weevils. Use dry containers and apply grain preservers. Watch market trends so you don't store too long. What's the current price of beans in your area? Drop it in the comments to keep us updated. Number 3, farm equipment rentals. This business is farm tool rental service, an untapped opportunity, especially in rural or semi-urban areas. How it works is that you rent out tools like hoes, sprayers, or wheelbarrow to farmers. You can go as far as renting out building construction tools as well. This business works because many smallholder farmers can't afford to buy these tools outright. You only need to buy once and rent out for years. Demand rises during planting and harvesting seasons. Don't lend to strangers without security, and always collect reasonable deposit if renting will take longer number of days. People who are into building construction and small-scale farming can attest to this information. The fourth business idea is home and office cleaning services. This business is booming in cities like Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. What this business means is that you offer cleaning services to homes, shops, offices, or event spaces and you get paid. This business is good because you don't need a shop, just cleaning tools and marketing. 100,000 naira is enough to start because you would be able to buy cleaning items like mops, brushes, gloves, buckets, disinfectants, apron, etc. Package your brand with a simple logo. Print flyers and run free word-to-mouth marketing. You can register with property agents too. While doing this business, you have to be smart. Be polite, professional, and punctual. Also take before and after pictures to show new clients. There's this level you will get to. You don't have any option than to hire someone to clean your house professionally. That's for you to know that there's always demand for this business. Let's move on to the next one. Number 5 is mini laundry business. This is small-scale laundry and ironing services from home. How this type works is that you wash, dry, and iron clothes for clients around your neighborhood. Why it's profitable is that busy people outsource laundry and it's a recurring service weekly or bi-weekly. Because you're starting from scratch, you can target a niche, example, kids' clothes, or you may identify some clothes types you may not include, unless you already have a home used washing machine or where to get it done under your supervision. I have created a review video for this business model. The link is in the description box. The sixth idea is private tutoring, also known as home lessons for students. If you're good in any subject, you can teach kids in your neighborhood after school. This business is solid because parents are always looking out for help for their kids. It's low cost, your brain is your capital. You can start with a whiteboard, marker, and textbooks. If the kids are less than 10 in numbers, you can use your sitting room. You can expand into group lessons or online tutoring later. Subjects like JAMB, WAEC, or even spoken English are in high demand. But which subject would you feel confident teaching? Imagine you have up to 20 kids and decide to make it cheaper for parents at 5,000 naira per month for a kid. Use your calculator and do the math. The seventh business idea is mobile food vending. You cook and sell food in takeaway packs, either from your home or roadside store. Why this business works is that everybody eats. Affordable and good fast food is always in demand. The business is great for areas with offices, schools, or bus stops. With 100,000 naira, you would be able to buy pots, gas, takeaway packs, spoons, etc. Cook from home and start with rice, beans, or breakfast combos. Good hygiene and consistency with taste and timing will help you grow. And also always deliver on time. Now that you've seen 7 real and profitable businesses that you can start with 100,000 naira or less, here's my final advice. Do not rush and do not guess. Always do your own proper research before you start. Like I earlier said, that's why I do review videos for different business models, so you can see the reality before investing. If you want me to guide you personally or help you choose the right business for your location, join my community through the link on this channel. Don't worry, just join. I'm doing that for free for the first 50 people. I give free advice in the group, personal feedback, and answer real questions that people are asking or facing about business and investments on daily basis. Finally, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share with someone. And don't forget to drop your opinion or experience in the comments. Which of these 7 businesses would you consider, or have you tried any before? I'll see you in the next one.